I've probably got so much on there. Hi guys, Sue back with this week's Crafty Make. So this week's theme is poetry. So we're going to be inspired by different poems. The first one being The Raven by a poet called Edgar Allan Poe. So I did quite kind of gothic and dark poetry. So you will need some paper, any bit of paper you've got around. It could be the back of a cereal box, so you don't have to spend a fortune on paper. Some paint, ideally watercolour, but it doesn't really matter, whatever paint you've got lying around. A paintbrush, and then some water as well. Okay, so first of all, in order to draw our raven, I'm going to draw a cross that goes diagonally across the page. So I'm going to do a little line first that points up to this corner, and then I'm going to do a line that goes across, and that's going to be our wings. Then we basically do a little triangle. So we're going to start probably about a centimetre or so out and join down to that line. And then I'm going to do a little curve. So I'm going to come up, do a curved line, round, and then back in. And that's going to be the head. So it's as simple as that. And then you take your paint. So I've just got a paint watercolour palette here with some water. I'm just going to take the black paint, and then I'm just going to start by filling in the shape that we've created here. So I'm going quite fast, but you can take your time. So you can see already we've created a little bit of a body and a bit of a head. So you can elongate that beak like that. Now in order to do the wings, you basically need to do a flick motion that follows the line that we've created. So you start here and we go flick, and we start with short strokes. And then as you get to the end, you get longer and longer. So don't worry about it being absolutely perfect. We're just flicking, and then we can do a few that go up and then get longer towards the end. So as you come, the ones that point down, you can flick. So you can do a layer and you can come back in and do another one. So I'm going to do the other side, start with some small ones, and you can see if you flick at the end, you get a thinner end to the line as the start. So it gives it more of a fluffy, feathery look. And then I'm going to get longer, give it some atmosphere here, like so. And then we're just going to add a tail on, so we're going to have the flicks coming down, so make them nice and long, and then getting shorter like that. And you can let that dry and add in a few more. But basically just with some flicks of the brush, you've created yourself a little raven. Okay, see you next time guys. Thank you, bye.